Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Janae. In today's video, I am going to be doing a full face of Fenty Beauty. So if you are interested in finding out what products I use, how they apply on my face, and then my final thoughts, then go ahead and keep watching.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. And I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. Party's done. Get off the floor. Time to go home. Or you can stay the night. because I won't fall in. Maybe after this we can call it quits, destiny. Maybe we should try. Maybe we should try. What if it's different this time? What if we lose? What if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again? Again, no. It's 11:55. It's getting cold outside. It's colder in here. I made ice from my tears. No, don't assume I don't just because I won't fall in. Maybe after this we can call it quits, destiny. But maybe we should try. Maybe we should try. What if it's different this time? What if we lose? What if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again? Again, in my dream, I'll never let you go. We never were alone. Yeah. Like a rose, never grew its thorns, blossomed on our own. What if we lose? What if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again?
Okay guys, so you just finished watching me demo the Fenty Beauty products, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about my thoughts on it. Now, a lot of these products are my tried and true, I've used for several years, and then there's a few products that are new to my collection that I haven't used in a while, of course, because I don't wear makeup every day. We're in COVID-19 and we're having to wear a mask every day, and I just don't do this full beat. But today actually happens to be my grandmother's birthday, and since I'm going over there with her to socially distance and celebrate her 89th birthday, I did want to go ahead and get a little bit glammed up, especially since it's been a while since I actually played in some makeup. So I thought it would be a good idea to film a full face of Fenty Beauty. And I just really want to quickly talk about the products and let you know what I think about it, let you know which products you definitely need to try out if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the review quick. So I'm going to try to go in order. The first product that I put on was the Fenty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer, and I have the little mini version of it. I like this primer. It definitely made my skin feel moisturized, but it doesn't do anything for my pores. I actually have kind of larger pores in my cheek area, and I prefer primers that give me a smoothing effect. This doesn't actually do that for me. It does hydrate my skin, but it doesn't give me the effect that I look for in primers. So unfortunately, I don't plan on repurchasing this primer. I will use it up, but I won't repurchase it. Now, if you have dry skin, you'll probably like this primer. This is her original mattifying primer, and I believe she has another. Oh, this is the soft matte, and I believe she does have another that's going to be more mattifying. Since I prefer that and I need that, I may pick it up, but I love that a lot of her products come in mini versions so that you don't have to fork out the cash to try out the full version. So you may want to try this out. I really don't have anything negative to necessarily say about this product, just that it does not necessarily work for the pores and things like that on my face, and I do have combination oily skin leaning towards oily, and even though this is a soft matte primer, it doesn't control my oil at all. So this is a, I don't want to say a thumbs down, but this is a thumbs down for me and my face. Okay, let's keep going. So the next thing that I put on was the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. I can guarantee that every single video on my channel I am wearing this foundation. Once I discovered it, if I wear foundation, this is literally all that I wear. If you haven't tried the Fenty Beauty foundation, what are you doing? No, seriously, what are you doing? No, but seriously guys, if you haven't tried this foundation, you are definitely missing out. I highly recommend it. It's a thumbs up for me. It is Longwear. It does control my oil, and I just absolutely love it. I have nothing negative to say about it. Besides, if you haven't tried it, you won't regret trying it out. So this product is a thumbs up for me for sure. Okay, and then I went in with the concealer. I have two concealers here. This is the Fenty Beauty concealer, and this is in 390 and 330. I absolutely love these concealers. I've been using these for a while, since they've come out. I love the formula. Now this is something along with this that I have consistently repurchased. So these are brand new ones because I used up all the other ones that I had, and I love it. It's creamy, it's hydrating under my eyes, it doesn't dry them out, it blends like a dream. If you haven't tried these concealers, you will not regret it. Definitely a thumbs up from me. Okay, let's keep going. So after the concealer, I think I went in with, or you know what, I went in with the cream bronzer. Oh, it's right here. I went in with this product. Now this is a newer product for me. I've used it maybe 2 or 3 times. I like it. It definitely blends also like a dream. Her cream products are done so well, guys. I have to say, you will not regret picking this up. This is a thumbs up for me. I didn't use this in a video, but I also have her Fenty Beauty Match Stick in Espresso, and it pretty much looks like the same color. You can see it there. I've been using this match stick for years. If I've contoured, I've used this, and since she launched this, I wanted to try it out, so I kind of use these interchangeably. The formula, this is a little bit more, I want to say, not necessarily drier, a little bit drier, but it's still creamy, and this is really creamy. They both blend like a dream. I highly recommend both of these products. I've had this product for a few years now, so it's lasted a long time, and I still have quite a bit of product left. And then this is a brand newer product that I've only had for a few months, and it's going to be a while before I hit pan. So like I said, I use these two products to contour. They blend like a dream. Okay guys, and then moving on quickly to the cream products, this is gonna be just a thumbs down for me because I have oily skin. I've never tried a cream blush before. I actually prefer powder, but I wanted to give these products a try. The color is beautiful. The cream formula, like the other creams, blend like a dream. It's beautiful, but it just isn't a product that actually works, I think, well for my oily type of skin. I did apply it. It does, I feel like it looks beautiful, but I just feel like, and I know from trying it out before, that I get oily quickly in my cheeks area. But yeah, if you love cream products, if you love cream blushes, this is a thumbs up. You should definitely try it out. But if you're like me, you have oily skin and you prefer powder, then you could definitely skip this product. The eyeshadow had a little bit of fallout, but the colors and the formula is beautiful. It blended beautifully. I think it looks beautiful on my eyes. So if you haven't tried out any of her Snap Shadows, you won't regret it. This definitely gets a thumbs up from me. Definitely try this out. It didn't have very much fallout. Now, the actual powder bronzer, I love. I've been using it, I think, for at least a year. I love the color of it. This is Mocha Mami, and I use it as my eyeshadow most of the time. I use it to powder bronze. I love it. This product, it's just beautiful. So definitely a thumbs up from me. I highly recommend it. A couple more products. The mascara. I'm glad that I checked out the mini version of the mascara because I don't love it. The wand is very thick and it's just not my favorite product. So it defined my lashes and it gave me some volume, but the wand, it just kind of clumps a little bit. Like, I'm just not like a huge fan of it. I'm glad that I got the mini version of it. So definitely you should try out the mini if you want, but isn't a product that I would actually necessarily recommend. So unfortunately, this one gets a thumbs down. This is a newer product to my collection. It is the Pro Kisser in Cocoa Drizzle. It's a luscious lip balm. I absolutely love it. I had it on while I was applying my makeup. It didn't get sticky. My lips felt moisturized. Definitely a thumbs up from me. And last but not least, I have the Baby What It Do travel size makeup refreshing spray. I love the fine mist on this product because I use a ton of powder in my tutorial. As you saw, this kind of brought it all together and I just love it. It smells good, it feels good. I highly recommend this product and I definitely will be repurchasing it in a bigger size when this runs out. So this product definitely gets a thumbs up for me. Okay guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed to my channel and you want to see more of me, and I really hope that you do, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you will not miss out. And I promise I will see you very soon in my next upload. Bye guys.